You have an awesome rig and you go to awesome places, but 95% of you don't have this. Check it out. This you can get for 15 bucks on Amazon, and all it is a light for under your hood. Easy install, just a few switches. Let's get into it. All right, what you get in the box: some zip ties, the little button that should go and switch your lights on. Here's the LED light, and the wires all ready to go. Here it is, pretty easy install. Have the light up here, just ran the wire through and down the little shock right here, and ran the wire to, where is it, the little button that turns it off. So when the hood goes down, it hits this little spot right here and pushes this down, and it's off. So that's how it works right there. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.